This video walks you through the steps involved in configuring the Property Major Usage Category Master Data template in the Property Tax module. Usage Category Major type refers to the classification of the properties based on its usage. Ideally, property usage is categorized as residential, non-residential or a mix of both. Download the data template to configure the Usage Category Major Master's data. As we can see here, the template contains 4 data columns. Provide a unique code for each type of property usage in the Usage Category Major Code data column. Now, enter the Usage Category Major description in English. Enter the local language description for the Usage Category Major. Update the information for each column. Some columns marked with a star are mandatory. Please make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know specific requirements of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for Usage Category Major. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of Usage Category Major. Thank you.